Hi, my name is Ari Simkin from IZE Rentals. We are a heavy equipment rental company based out of Brooklyn, New York. Our main focus is generators. We provide temporary power to construction sites all over New York. And our niche is that we monitor the diesel. We'll go down to the site, we'll make sure that machine is always full and the office does not have to worry if their job site's down because there's no diesel in the tank. We started out filling up from pickup trucks, 75 gallons at a time, 100 gallons at a time. And we were spending half our day in gas stations, just refilling the auxiliary tanks, going to the job site, dumping, going back to the gas station. It was costing us a lot of time, especially in Brooklyn. You know, you could sit in traffic half your day. So time is very important over here and efficiency is key. So a friend of mine mentioned to me that there's this company based out of Iowa, Thunder Creek, that invented this trailer that could carry up to 920 gallons, no CDL required, no HAZMAT required. The second I heard that, contacted the company. Within several weeks, we had an order placed for a F550 in New York City. To hire CDL drivers, as it is hard enough to find. And then HAZMAT is just another stage on top of that. Ask anyone out there, and it's just very hard to get reliable and good drivers with a CDL. And then you know, you have to pay a premium as well because there's high demand for that CDL license. So the fact that you could just get anyone with a regular driver's license to go into the truck is one of the best things about this truck, because if the guy's sick one day, I could get anyone in the network, put them into the truck. In 5 minutes, I could show them how to use the pumps and everything, and they're good to go. There's not much training involved. It's very easy to learn. You know, day one, you get into your truck, you go out. What we realized when we first started off, a lot of big fuel trucks that carry 5,000 gallons cannot even access to certain points where we needed to fill up. The trailer is a great idea, but for Brooklyn, it's very hard to haul around the trailer behind you. So big factor of why we went with that F550 4x4 truck. It's a perfect setup for a city environment where every little thing could be an obstacle. Getting into a job site, out of a job site, double parking, blocking streets. So we go around the trucks and we fit into the job site somehow, and we fill them up all while, they're loading dump trucks. We could be in and out of a job site in 15 minutes, where if you had a full-size fuel truck, it would be an hour situation. Time is the most valuable thing we have here, and that's what we're trying to do as efficiently as possible. I was able to buy diesel a lot cheaper now because I'm buying quantity. So instead of filling up at the gas station, paying retail, now I'm getting wholesale. I'm buying 900 gallons at a time. It's black and white. I mean, you could see the savings right off the bat. I mean, my margins are a lot better now. I can compete with the bigger companies out there. Not only are we filling up our own machines now, but we are filling up the customers' other equipment, and that feeds us more customers on the rental side. Because they say, oh, once you're filling us up, we'll rent a machine from you, we'll take a bobcat from you, we'll take an excavator. And that's how kind of we went from generators to excavators and to bobcats, because they were saying, we're already dealing with you, let's just get whatever equipment from you. It's saving us a ton. I mean, between the jobs that we needed 3 pickup trucks for, a full day, we could do that with the Thunder Creek truck in about sometimes less than a half a day. It's so much more efficient. It's so much easier to drive, you're low down, so much easier to maneuver in the city environment. We're saving on labor, we're saving on time, we're saving on vehicles. I mean, we're saving on space at the yard. It's saving us in multiple different areas.